All right, everybody, what are we looking at today? Well, I'm looking at you liking and subscribing to Tasty Live, and I do appreciate it. You've really come to bat for us, no pun intended, and I do appreciate it. But what am I going to look at today? I'm going to look at bonds, the biggest debt instrument in the market, and you know what? You can participate in it. Let me show you how. Look at the bonds here trading 111, 16, 17. Now I am trading the U bonds here. You can see them right here, represented really nicely on the Tasty Trade platform here. Each bond or future that's trading is represented by the options below it. Here I'm trading with 44 days to go. I'm trading a bond that's trading at 111.16. Let's take a look at it on a chart for a moment. Here you can see that this is about as low as it's been. These bonds have been around 111.5, that's 111.16, and up to around 114 on extremes. This is certainly the low end, and bonds have been crashing over the last 3 days lower. As bonds go lower, rates typically go higher. That's not something that this administration wants to see, so I'm going to play along with them, at least try to prosper from that. Now, let's take a look at what I'm looking to do. I'm looking to sell the 108 bond. That has about an 18 delta, and I sold them at 25 ticks. Now, 25 ticks, you ask, what is a tick in the bonds? Well, a tick is $15.62 per tick. 25 ticks is going to be $390.62. I'm going to round down here for a moment. So that's my max profit. This trade has an 87% pop. You'll notice here that the EXT is represented by that $390.62. They're rounding up to $391. It has 18 deltas, $11.50, $11.45 worth of theta decay. What's theta decay, you ask? How much I get paid to hold this for the risk that I'm taking. What's my risk? My risk is about $2,700 because that is my buying power. Now, yes, this represents a bond that's trading over $107,000 right now, but the probable cause or the probable movement in this is about 2 points. 2 points from 111 gets us down to right at that 108. So I'm just about a standard deviation away, getting paid a nice $11 a day in theta decay. Plus we're at the low end of the range. Plus I'm getting long delta here. The long delta is right here at 18 long delta. Remember, a bond point is worth $1,000. That's why these ticks are $15.62 each, and 25 ticks represents just under $400 in premium. All right, everybody, what do I need you to do? If you want to trade crypto, if you want to trade bonds like I just did, if you want to trade equities, well, there's only one place to go. You want to trade options. You want to trade the works, go to tastytrade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy.